1946, the bikini.
1947, kitty litter.
1948, Velcro.
1949, first non-stop flight around the world.
1950, silly putty.
1950, first organ transplant.
1951, color TV is introduced.
1952, Mr. Potato Head.
1952, polio vaccine is created.
1953, DNA is discovered.
1954, Swanson introduces TV dinners.
1954, first atomic submarine launched.
1955, Disneyland opens.
1956, Play-Doh.
1956, the remote control.
1957, Dr. Seuss publishes The Cat in the Hat.
1958, the hula hoop.
1959, Xerox launches the first commercial copier.
1959, the Barbie doll.
1960, lasers invented.
1961, the Berlin Wall is built.
1962, the first James Bond movie.
1963, the first woman in space.
1963, lava lamp.
1964, the smiley face.
1965, miniskirt first appears.
1966, Star Trek TV series airs.
1967, the first heart transplant.
1967, the first ATM is put into service in Barclays Bank in London.
1968, the computer mouse.
1969, Sesame Street first airs.
1970, the computer floppy disks are introduced.
1971, VCRs are introduced.
1972, pocket calculators are introduced.
1973, Skylab, America's first space station, is launched.
1974, Post-it notes.
1975, Microsoft is founded.
1976, Apple Computer is founded.
1977, the Star Wars movie is released.
1978, the first test tube baby is born.
1979, Sony introduces the Walkman.
1980, Pac-Man video game release.
1981, first flight of U.S. Space Shuttle.
1981, personal computers introduced by IBM.
1982, E.T. movie release.
1983, Sally Ride becomes the first American woman in space.
1984, Sony and Philips introduced the first commercial CD players.
1985, Coca-Cola Company introduces new Coke.
1986, IBM unveils the first laptop computer.
1987, the world's population reaches approximately 5 billion.
1988, laser eye surgery.
1989, the Berlin Wall falls.
1990, the first web page is written.
1991, the airbag is invented.
1992, the largest shopping mall in the U.S., Minnesota's Mall of America, is constructed, spanning 78 acres.
1993, Beanie Babies.
1994, first genetically engineered tomatoes available.
1995, Toy Story first ever wholly computer-generated film.
1996, Dolly the sheep, the first clone mammal, is born.
1997, first Harry Potter book is released.
1998, the search engine Google is founded.
1999, Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace is released.
2001, Apple Computer releases the iPod.
2003, Toyota's hybrid car is introduced in Japan.
2004, Facebook is launched.
2005, YouTube is founded.
2006, Pluto is downgraded from a planet to a dwarf planet.
2007. Apple introduces the iPhone.
2011. The world's first synthetic organ transplant was successfully completed.
1946.
Mom is born.
And Grandma's born.